It's beautiful, isn't it? It's calm. It feels like we're the only ones doing it today. So we're the first ones to do this since the pandemic at Congaree National Park. The park just opened out about a week ago, so hoping to see a little bit more of wildlife than we usually would. Keeping our fingers crossed. These are some of the longest trees, or tallest trees rather, in the entire North America, I believe. Really old trees as well. They're temperate, deciduous forests. Top, right? Oh, they're facing each other, yeah.
Ready to take them home with you?